princess and welcome to the Nobi Home. Today I'm going to build my new PC for work and content creation and Mayora duties for HomeBuddies. I'm sure that this is going to be interesting kasi first time ko talaga mag-build ng PC. Ang tagal ko na talagang nagtatanong sa mga friends ko, ano bang kailangan ko kasi for work, for playing. So a couple of days ago, I really asked in the HomeBuddies Facebook group for a PC build. Like may mga recos ba yung mga kapitbahay natin. Thanks to your recommendations sa comments and even yung mga taong nagpa-private message sa akin. Sobrang thank you kasi ang dami kong natutunan na parts ng computer. Say, there's this motherboard na sobrang well referred. Yung Prime B460M R2.0. Tapos meron din mga nagsabi na for SSD, I should get the Seagate Barracuda 512GB NVMe SSD. So, ang dami pa niyan. Even with peripherals, I got so much recommendations. One of my favorite messages is actually from ASUS. Kasi ASUS is at least a brand that I know and I trust. Tapos sabi nila, uy, Mayora, gusto mo collab na lang tayo, tulungan ka namin. So, parang to me, syempre game ako kasi at least wala na akong problema, diba? At least tutulungan nila ako. So syempre as a responsible budol person, I did my research about it. Nasabi ko, syempre, when you buy PC stuff, investment yan. Hindi naman mura yan eh. So, medyo nag-research din ako on my own. And I made sure to get products from a brand or brands that I truly trust and even yung sikat, yung alam na kilala ng mga tao kasi at least I know these are products na won't let me down. So just to be safe, especially that we're dealing with sensitive components ng PC, mahirap na pag nagkamali ako, sayang eh. So today, Sir Ellie from ASUS will be helping me build my first PC at dahil virtually lang yung usapan namin para walang interruption, I'll be using my ASUS Zen Wi-Fi AX Mini XD4. Kaya tara, let's set it up na. So, everything is set na. Let's go guys, tawagan na natin si Sir Ellie. Hi Sir Ellie! Game na ako to build my PC.
Hi Frances! Oo, kayang-kaya mo yan. Madali lang yan.
Talaga? O game na. Where do I start?
Okay. So, I'll be sending you set of instructions. Sunod-sunod yun para hindi ka na mahirapan. And if ever mayroon kang mga question, tawagan mo lang
O
ako.
sige game, hintayin ko yan ah. So, nandito na yung steps na sinend sa atin ni Sir Ellie. Susundan na lang natin to and we can start building our PC. Tara. First, we have the motherboard. So here we have the Prime B460M R2.0. Basically, this is the skeletal system of our computer. This is where the other components will be plugged and mounted. I got the 10th generation Intel Core i3-10100 desktop processor. This brings great compute experience with intelligent engineering, immersive graphics, and enhanced tuning. For the RAM, my RAM is HyperX Fury 16GB DDR4. For the SSD, ito yung ni-recommend nyo. It's a Seagate Barracuda 512GB NVMe SSD. I've read a lot of good reviews about this. Sabi nila, mabilis daw talaga yung write and read speed na to. And super okay for multitasking. So whether you're working, tas suddenly you're playing or watching, kayang-kaya niya. For the cooler right here, we have the Cooler Master Hyper 212A RGB Turbo. for the case, mga Team Puti, I'll be using the Techwear Fusion. So look how nice and sleek it is. As in, sobrang bagay for my aesthetic. For my GPU, I'm using the TUF Gaming GTX 1660 Super. And lastly, for my components, my power supply is the Corsair CV550 80 Plus Bronze. And there we have all our components. And next, let's connect na our peripherals. For the monitor, we have two Asus VA24EHE. Dalawa yun kasi kailangan extended. We have a mic also. We'll be using the AI noise cancelling mic adapter to remove all the unnecessary noises, especially when you have meetings. Very important yun para clear yung discussion. For the camera, we have the Asus C3 webcam. My Asus Zen Wi-Fi AX Mini XD4. So, surprisingly, madali madali lang pala mag-build ng PC. Kayang-kaya ko pala. I've always had this idea lang na, it's kind of hard ba to build a PC? Tagal kong pinot off, but I realized na, you just have to learn what the basics are when building a PC, what the certain components and peripherals are for, and tada, meron ka ng PC build. So, thank you Sir Ellie of ASUS for helping me out. Thank you everyone for joining me here today at the Novi Home. I hope you learned something from this video. And disclaimer lang budol talaga to, pero this is a worth it budol for me. So please do share your PC build budol's in the comment section and let's discuss ano ba yung nagawa nyo and nagawa ko, and we can, make the best PC for our kapitbahays as well. So if you want to know more about the products that I used, you can check the link in the description box for more details. Thank you everyone! I hope you enjoyed this. See you all next time. Bye!